Elite Drinkware was founded in 2019 in El Paso, Texas. They manufacture high-end sports bottles that are made from high-quality materials. The target markets for Elite Drinkware are Asian markets first, and soon afterwards expanded into the rest of the world. Their products are manufactured in China, and Elite has an aggressive marketing campaign that includes celebrity and famous athletes' endorsements. The products are mainly distributed through Asian retailers. The mission statement for the company is providing the best insulated sports bottles to the world. In order to gather market intelligence, Elite used several research methods. Elite used marketing and research firms such as Vantage Marketing and Research Consultants based out of Guangzhou, China. Elite also utilized search engines that are from the Asian market, such as Baidu and Haoso, in order to gain paid data analytics and industry trends. Elite Drinkware sports bottles have many benefits. Some of these include triple wall vacuum insulation, manufactured from high-grade 17-4 pH stainless steel, and the ability to maintain hot and cold beverages within 20 degrees of their original temperature, even after 12 hours. Drinkware was able to secure an initial investment of $15 million US. This is going to be used initially for manufacturing, patent rights, distribution, marketing, and sponsorships. Sports bottle markets have seen an opportunity to increase the market size in recent times. Sports bottle industries are expected to reach $9.9 billion US by the year 2023.
China poses to be one of the best countries for elite drinking ware to grow. There are some factors that need to be addressed before moving forward. China is the leading country in population, which enables our custom drinking bottles to be sold. Not only does the country have the numbers, but some of the main modes of transportation allow for elite drinkware to establish itself as the primary source of hydration. One of the main concerns for our product is the current tariff wars that are plaguing the U.S. and China. With the base of our operation being El Paso, the company might consider opening a factory in our neighboring country, Mexico. This would allow for the company to take advantage of relaxed tariffs that are currently exchanged between China and Mexico. This would also allow for the product to be made with cheaper labor expenses. Another advantage would be less production regulations, seeing as Mexico and China have less environmental concerns than the U.S. Competitor analysis. Currently, there are a number of similar water bottles that are offered in the market today. The best receiving 9.9 stars out of a possible 10, which is Mira, offered at competitive prices through Amazon. This offers a few obstacles that Elite Drinkware will have to face. The first being online presence of the competitor's product, and second being the rating it receives. In order for our product to be able to compete, not only do we have to offer a sturdy product, but the reasonable priced product. This could be done by cutting the production cost of Elite water bottles. The price reduction could take place by producing the bottles in Mexico and keeping the headquarters based in El Paso. Not only would the company save in manpower, but real estate would also come in at a lower price. This could allow for the company to offer the Elite drinkware at a very competitive price. The online presence could be handled in several ways. The first being where the bottles are being offered. Mira is currently offered through Amazon. Elite drinkware could base its online purchases through Alibaba-owned Taobao, which is China's major marketplace. With an estimated 193 million online shoppers and 66% of the sales coming from online shopping, Elite Drinkware could corner the market in China.
Elite Drinkware conducted a SWOT analysis for both internal and external factors. Some of the strengths of Elite are a strong market for insulated beverage containers, and Asia continues to grow in economic purchasing power. Globally, people are purchasing more reusable beverage containers due to plastic awareness, and strong marketing campaigns that include untapped celebrity and athlete sponsorships. Some of the weaknesses for Elite are that they are priced a little bit higher in comparison to the rest of the market, and it will be challenging to gain large market share. There's limited alternative products and designs compared to competition. The low barrier to entry for competitors means that new competition is constantly emerging. There's a need to build stronger relationships with government officials in order to expand and stay competitive in Asia. Some of the opportunities are that Elite needs to invest and strengthen R&D in order to develop more products and keep evolving. Asia is large and has many countries. There's an opportunity to sell to many other small countries such as Thailand, Vietnam, and there's also an opportunity to expand to the Western markets. Some of the threats are copyright infringement and design theft from area factories, political instability, and constant competition entering the market with lower pricing. Elite Drinkware's recommended marketing strategy is to target some of the more prominent Asian countries such as China, Japan, Korea, and Singapore. Elite Drinkware is currently ranked second among high-end sports drinkware companies behind Hydro Flask. Elite is ahead of Yeti and other trendy brands. Elite entered the market after 3 years of research, design, and marketing. It's priced on the higher end of the market, and its plans are to generate more demand and desire through extensive marketing to offset the price increase compared to the competition. Marketing and mixed strategies employed by Elite are a modern and simple logo, strong relationships with Asian governments and political circles in order to make strong connections with athletes and celebrities, universal marketing campaigns that can be used anywhere and in any country in the world, and country-specific campaigns in order to show adaptability to different cultures and their customer bases. Elite has distribution centers throughout Asia to better support its customers and offers price breaks based on volume. Elite also supports its customers and strong retail partners through celebrity endorsements and events.
Implementation of recommendation. Once the marketing plan has been assessed by the project manager, he or she will formalize a recommendation for the plan. Here they will discuss if the plan met all the goals, which would include a cost analysis and whether the target market was reached. Based on the data for each element for the marketing plan, the project manager will recommend to the company if the plan should be used in the future. This would mean that the marketing plan was both cost effective and it reached its goals. The recommendation of improvements will be cataloged for the future. These recommendations will accompany the plan and will be implemented by the next project manager conducting the same marketing campaign. Monitoring of action plan. Monitoring the market will be one of the key elements of this product and how it succeeds. Each marketing campaign will be assigned a project manager, and the project manager will have the responsibility of reporting how effective the campaign was. Each marketing campaign will require an after-actions review once the campaign is complete. These reviews require the project manager to answer 3 key questions. What was supposed to be done? Here, the project manager will detail the marketing plan to include cost and primary market. He or she will assign two members to assess the success or failure of the plan. Each key element of the plan will have a member to analyze the data how it affects the plan. Number 2, what actually happened. The project manager will collect the data from each team member on how the plan was deployed and whether their portion was successful or a failure. Here, the project manager will assess each element of the marketing plan during its deployment and whether the steps of deployment were followed and how they affected the plan. This portion of the assessment will also answer if the marketing plan reached its target market. Number 3, how can the plan be improved? The project manager for each marketing plan will be required to assess each element of the plan and how it succeeded or failed. He or she will discuss with each team member how the campaign could be improved. The cost of the overall plan will also be assessed and how costs can be reduced.